Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the VOLTA floating light bulb. You can get this product for about $100. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a nice looking, good quality product. VOLTA comes in different plugs for different countries. I have the US version. Operating levitating devices for the very first time takes a little bit of practice, but it's actually pretty easy and you get used to it really fast. While most light bulbs are fixed to a socket, VOLTA is powered through magnets and the air by induction, providing a soft, warm glow. The floating light bulb looks really cool, especially in the dark. According to the official website, VOLTA's shatterproof bulb is protected against breaks and cracks, and its contact wires are 10 times stronger than those in the average light bulb. The wireless power module is capable of transmitting just enough power to light the bulb up completely, and it's a low power light bulb that uses energy efficient LEDs. I tested the floating light bulb for about 2 weeks and I think it's a great product. It looks beautiful in my home, especially in the evenings or during the night. It always attracts attention and everyone wants to know how it works. So if you're looking for something special to decorate your office or home, I would recommend the VOLTA floating light bulb. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.